One should always make time for love, but
I agree.
Not answering your question.
Love it, love it.
I love this question,
That's cool.
man. Superb. Most people would call it impulsive, कि जो मन में आता है वो करते हैं, frivolous. But I actually think it's pretty brave.
So she has that little moofutness that I never had. I would always be a people pleaser. But I think the biggest lesson is how to be a kind person always. How to see the best in people. Because when you see the best in people, you'll be able to see the best in yourself and work towards making that better. So, as his sister, that is something I've learned from him.
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
What is ishq without the wishk, right? What is a pyar without the rebound? And what is a Rohit Saraf on this couch without
his
Pashmina?
Sony!
Yeah, baby! Woo! Sony!
Go Pashmina!
Hi, darling. How are you?
Beautiful.
Welcome to the huddle. Thank you so much for joining me. You sit right here in the middle of the couch. Come on. Come. All right.
That was such a warm welcome.
It truly is. And I must say that Rohit has had a great time talking to fans.
Yeah.
They also have questions for you. So I don't know if you're up for it, but are you ready for the huddle?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's go for it.
I'm ready.
All right. This is a question from Nishtha. Are you here, Nishtha? Okay, there's a mic coming to you. You can direct it to Pashmina.
So my question for you is, you as someone who has studied cinema professionally, how does it help in your acting career? Because you have seen off camera and on camera both.
So I've studied theatre and I have done, obviously studying cinema in the sense of doing acting workshops, which is just it's the most important thing. It's your baseline. And you have to keep going back to them and keep learning more and more. So it firstly helps you understand who you are. It helps you open up, and that's just the base. And then you have layers to it that you keep like finding out more and more about yourself. You keep practicing your craft. So when the day comes, you're not as ill prepared as you would be if you didn't do all these things.
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you so much for your
Thank
question,
you so
Nishtha.
much,
It's beautiful.
Pashmina.
Lucky. Hi, Lucky. You have a question for Pashmina?
Hi, Lucky. We meet again.
Yes. You're looking so pretty today.
Oh, so are you. Thank you.
Okay, so my question is, if your character from Ishq Vishk Rebound could have any superpower, what would it be and how could it help in the dating world?
ये plot
How
में
could it
plot,
help in the...
Dating world.
I love this question,
That's cool.
man. Superb.
Okay, I have to think 1 second. So Sania, her superpower, I think she already has it because of the team. Her superpower would be to like be able to get ready and change looks in like a
fraction of a
snap of
second.
the
Is she,
finger.
wait 1 second. Does she have to answer like Pashmina or like the character? Like as Pashmina, what would she want?
Yeah.
Pashmina को अगर एक dating
Yeah,
superpower
Pashmina
मिलता,
would also wish that Sania could get ready like this. Dating superpower, I think for her it would be to... Very, very good question, man. That made me think. I think her dating superpower would be to let loose a little. Not be so...
कठिन.
Jakada hua. Yeah.
I don't know the word, right?
Yeah.
Thin, yeah, like stuck
Like
up.
so tightly wound. To just go with the flow a little bit. Not be so angry. That's
love it.
revealing a
Are
little
you
bit too
talking
much
to
about my
yourself?
character. Yeah.
Are we dating though? Are we dating in real life? Like not each other, but in personally. Do we have time to date people?
I don't know. I think one should always make time for love, but
I agree.
not answering your question.
Love it, love it. I'm wanting to ask questions. I will ask questions. You'll say don't want to answer. No, that's not true. That's not true. I hope you have enough time to love. And I hope that you love immensely and boundlessly. And I hope love comes to you. So that's my wish for you. That's so sweet. Thank you. All right, Gia. Thank you. Gia. Hi, Gia. You have a question for Rohit? Okay, you can ask. For both of them. Okay, ask.
Hi Rohit. So my question for you is, the teasers and the posters suggest that Raghav's character is going to be a writer. So how you think a writer perceives the Gen Z ishq?
How a writer
Perceives the Gen Z ishq.
My God, these questions are incredible.
Wow, yeah, these questions are really. I don't know. In all honesty, I don't even know what to say to that.
Because I'm not a writer.
I'm not. Yeah, I've only pretended to be a writer in my film. I'm actually not a writer myself. But how he would perceive a Gen Z relationship. I think there's one thing about the Gen Zs in general, not just about relationships. I think they're very brave. You know, most people would call it impulsive, कि जो मन में आता है वो करते हैं, frivolous. But I actually think it's pretty brave to act upon what you really are feeling in that moment. So I feel something along those lines, perhaps.
Thank you. Shweta is here. Shweta Shah or Sweeta? Sweeta.
Sweeta, what a cute
I
name.
love these
Sweetu.
names. Lucky,
Love it.
Sweeta.
Sweeta. Go for it.
Congrats, ma'am, on your film. So my question is, in Sania's personality, like what qualities did you like in her?
What qualities did you like?
Okay, so this is such a beautiful question. Thank you for it. There is a big difference in the kind of person Sania is and the kind of person I am. But there is one thing that I took from her character into my personality that I think that has really helped me is the ability to stand up for yourself. Yeah, so she has that little muffatness that I never had. I would always be a people pleaser. And I really when I read the script and I played the character, it was such fun doing that.
Empowering.
It is so empowering, that's the correct word. Empowering. So I adopted some of it.
Thank you, Sweeta. That was a great question. Yeah. We're going to quickly move to Zakir. Hi, Zakir.
So my question is that what lessons or skills you have learned from Hrithik sir?
Oh
Or
my
skills?
God. I think I've learned too many lessons from him. But I think the biggest lesson is how to be a kind person always. How to see the best in people. Because when you see the best in people, you'll be able to see the best in yourself and work towards making that better. So, as his sister, that is something I've learned from him.
Thank you for that. Sneha?
So, hi Pashmina, my question is for you. My name is Sneha. So, firstly, big congratulations for your big
Thank you
Bollywood
so
debut. We are
much.
really excited to see you on the big screen.
Thank you.
And so, Pashmina, you come from a legacy of legendary filmmakers. Like your dad is a legendary music composer, your uncle is a director and a producer, and your cousin is a big star, like an
Yeah.
actor. So you have everything in your family. So how was it for you while growing up? Well, like, were you always interested in acting, or you were also interested in music and direction and writing maybe?
Yeah, we all want to know this. What is it like to be a Roshan?
Or was it, what is it like to just grow up with such like
you,
legendary
yeah.
people around you? Yeah.
So when growing up, for me, they're what? My Taoji, my papa, my cousin. So before any of this, and I've said this before, they're artists around us. So always in my household, if you didn't get the best grades, na maths में fail हो गई, which मैं 4th standard में हुई थी.
Well done.
But you've gone for your Bharatnatyam classes every day and you've gotten an A+, then you put your 100%, then maths में भी 100% दिया है और फिर भी तुम बुद्धू हो तो fail हो गए. तो चलता है, but like art को बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत दिया जाता था घर पे, which अभी तक दिया जाता है. So growing up, whether it was a chat about music or a chat about a performance or a chat about just a piece of painting that they've seen, like artwork they've seen, it would always invoke emotion and conversation. So from there, I knew from a very young age that I am not going to become a scientist or a doctor. I mean, they don't have that capability only. But art really inspired me. It made me feel something, and it still makes me feel something. And I'm so happy, so excited that I can create my own art right now.
Thank you, Sneha. That's a really lovely question.
That was a beautiful question. Thank you.
Bhumika has a question that I want you to ask this question to both of them. Okay, go for it.
So, hi guys. Y'all look lovely, firstly. And I want to say this before I ask my question. Pashmina, that day I met you and you gave me a compliment. And I'm not just saying this because I'm here. It's going to stick with me for my life because that was such a sweet thing to say. So my question to the both of you is, if you
now, where have you met? What is going on? Are you also a Roshan?
my question to the both of you is, if given an opportunity, which iconic character which is already loved by the audience would you guys like to play?
Iconic Bollywood role.
Bollywood
Okay. Bollywood.
Of course,
Bollywood,
yeah.
Please.
I would say.
Yeah, the way you dress, it should just be Pooh.
Oh my God, Pooh, any of Kareena's characters, but also Naina from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
That's one of my
Yeah.
favorite.
Wow, I love that answer. Imagine that. Ye Jawani phir se hai Diwani. Karan, are you listening? The cast is right here. Bunny, Naina, they're all here. All right.
You would also, Bunny
I
would.
actually don't know. I can't. I really loved Ranbir's character from Tamasha. I don't know if I can ever play that character. I don't think, even if the opportunity came to me, I don't think I'd ever be able to play it the way he did. But what a beautiful, complex character to be able to, explore. So I would love something like that.
How lovely. Thank you for that lovely question.
you. Wow.
You know what? All good things must come to an end. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody. This was amazing.
Hi guys, I was just on the huddle and I had an incredible time with Road Talks, and I can't wait for you all to see it.
Hi guys, this is Rohit Saraf and I was just on the huddle. My favorite place to be because I get to do so much and I get to speak to some of the people I absolutely love. Thank you to Road Talks for that. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do tune in for more content on the huddle with Road Talks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fever FM. Happening.